Hi, oven mates. Welcome back to Quincy's Bakery, your baking plug and go to spot for all things sweet and delicious. Today, we are going to be making this delicious German cream cake. It's so good, so yummy, and so fresh. So, grab your aprons and let's get started. And please don't forget to like, follow me, and subscribe to my channel for more easy yet tantalizing baking recipes. Now let's dive straight into the video. Watch closely until the end so you don't miss out on anything important. And here you have it, oven made, a mouth-watering German cream cake that is as beautiful and as delicious as it looks. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a sweet treat, this cake is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you craving for more. And before we say goodbye, I want to extend my heartfelt thank you for everyone who has watched to this point. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. Until then, keep spreading sweetness, sharing joy and love, baking up a storm. Happy baking, dear friends. Bye bye. And see you in my next video.